Welcome to the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as it is hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max and Wazobia TV. I go break am now for English, make everybody understand. UHF 57 and Channel 98 on top of Go TV, respectively. Una know as we dey talk am. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11 don't turn to Christmas because all of the action tori when they come on smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement, we go drop them down, talk them the way the thing be, can't give you license to chook mouth inside so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother when sabi well as they concern any political matter and one Ogbonge visitor as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers, and welcome to another tear-over edition of our Ogbonge program, that political program, where they informate you they sunshine with the political activities where they happen for Nigeria, because we know say without politics, we know fit at least we know fit define as we go take they run our system. But now politics they do it they define as we go take run our system for Nigeria and the world at large. And we go open our phone line once we start to drop down the major stories we make the weekend, so that you as Nigerians go fit contribute for the issue, and we go collectively know as we go take do it move our country forward. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi, and this is now As It Is Hot.
We don't go waste time. We go introduce our Ogbonge visitor. In a person when we say any issue when concern Nigeria, in the like chook mouth on top. Now in somebody when we say once you invite them, say this issue concern our Obodo Nigeria, in here go stand up. Some people don't even talk say get antenna because any issue when we say they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria, especially the people of Nigeria, in they carry the thing, they hawk them like person when they say for inside traffic, and they talk of no other than Professor Chukwudu maybe Nwokobia. I go add the name when we say the Christiana Mustafa. Welcome to As It Is Hot.
My brother, my pleasure.
Oga Prof, good morning and welcome to
good morning to our
program.
viewers.
Yes.
Prof, you know say we get one tradition.
Prof don't know the tradition already.
So we
not even supposed to remind Prof
exactly.
about
So
our
we all
tradition.
shake your hand straight so that when the thing enter, you know go be like say we
You don't know the
fight.
tradition, so
And Prof, now anything you get one important organization when they call Change Ambassadors. Prof, they now be the DG for on top of that organization. When we say they are working at all, say we could change the mindset of Nigerian people inside our country. Prof, we no go waste time. We go just go straight into what we discuss. Every Monday, what we do now to tear the nylon on top of all the action when happen over the weekend, can't discuss the thing as it hot. So we go start with one very important one. This one starts on the 5th of December for inside Bayelsa State. The gubernatorial elections when pitch two important and senior candidates for inside the state. Important because of say two of them don't taste the office of governor before, and then they try see who go collect the second one. The governor went there now, Seriake Dixon of the People's Democratic Party, and person went on be governor before, Timi Preye Silva. Two of them were the frontline candidates representing the PDP and the APC for the gubernatorial elections. We know what happened on the 5th of December when INEC come gather everything together. Out of the 8 local governments, the governor when they sit down for the Seriake Dixon, he win for 6 of the 7 when they announced. And Southern Ijaw local government, they come talk say, the way when we say wahala happen inside that place, say they go conduct elections for inside January. And this Saturday went past, now they come conduct the elections. Plenty people be in the fear, sake of say, the talk when they don't talk down for inside the elections. So people describe them as the battle for the soul of the PDP because they talk say, if our Oga Presido when be before Presido, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan lose state when he come from, wahala don't happen. But the gist and information when come out on the whole, now say the governor when sit down for the governor Seriake Dixon, he win the election and he beat Timi Preye Silva. But the wahala when come happen, we say plenty issues happen for inside the election and plenty people buy for inside that election. So the person where they represent Bayelsa Central don't come out, Bayelsa East for Senate, Oga Bemori Bruce don't come and come talk say this kind of pie when happen for that place now something when we say we supposed to chook eye on top, see say it don't happen again. And our Senate President Bukola Saraki said don't come and come talk say people when we say then they use by force to win election, we no go accept them for this our country. The information when they outside now say Seriake Dixon when be governor before and I go still sit down for on top of that chair and they represent the People's Democratic Party. When we delve into the story, I go speak English, delve into the story to look at as it take happen inside Bayelsa, our prof go use in plenty wisdom, chook eye for inside that story.
Yes, and from there, we could enter straight to Kogi State, and what do they hear now? We hear say the deputy governor-elect, that is Oga James Falike, and the son of the late Oga Audu Abubakar, they carry leg enter DSS office on top of one special invitation where they invite them, say make them come on Saturday, that is the 9th of January, we just passed now. They come carry leg enter at about 10 a.m. in the morning, and they carry leg enter there. But then we call the hear say we don't know the reasons why they invite them. Say the reasons why they take invite them is unknown to us. So we still try the way to say to know what they invite them for. But the spokesperson of the campaign, that is this publicity person where they standing for these same people come and talk say look, say they just honor invitation with DSS invite them. Make it just be like say whether they don't get one kind of command for head. So they never get any command for head. Now just invitation, and that invitation now they do it. Now they go honor. Same day at about 5 p.m. we hear say they don't release them, say they don't allow them to go and make them go move on with their life. And now as that one take happen, be that on top of Oga Falike and Mohammed Audu.
Another important gist when come out now say information they don't drop and give the ear of Nigeria and say our government go save or they go gather about 1 trillion. I go call the money again because now plenty money. 1 trillion naira from some kind action wey be say they go take. They name the first action as say they go plug loopholes. Now English, but I go break them down. Say all the places where be say money they take, they do VM. They delete for inside government purse without anybody knowing. Say then go patch them where we can use granite and cement them so that the thing no go they lost again. They go also talk say 3 very important sectors for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. Say they go chook eye on top of those sectors to see say they really do their work well and then gather the money where they will gather well. The Nigerian Customs Service, the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, and the Nigerian Ports Authority. They say these 3, they go do their work well and they go bring in plenty money for government. It get another when they come talk where interest plenty people. They talk say around 350 billion naira. When we say they don't they recover from people when chop Nigeria money from backyard, say they go use and join them to they go contribute to that 1 trillion naira. Plenty people don't come and talk say no be today government they talk say we go do without doing the do. Say if them begin they do this do, then go see them. For some other people they talk say this we go do, don't tire them. They no go believe them until they see them. Whether they go do the do or then go do the we go do as they do the we don't do before. When we talk with our prof, we go understand the story.
Yes, from there, make we come enter straight to the issue of defecting and then defecting matter. Because right about now, we they get information, say, Senator, that is Senator Uche Ekwunife, where they represent Anambra Central Senatorial District until we hear say recently, say they are not the election. We hear say she don't do it, don't carry leg. Come out from the political party where they represent before, that is the PDP, come switch over to the APC. In the same vein, on that same day, we also hear say, one-time governor of the old Anambra State and also one-time minister for Nigeria, that's Oga Jim Nwobodo. Also come out, declare in intention, say, look, that he is no longer a member of the party just rule finish on the federal level, that is PDP. Say right about now, say the kind of blood that they run for invade. Now APC blood, as a matter of fact, say right now, as he speaks, saying don't defect straight to APC will be the ruling party. We go also we also did very much aware say Oga Jim Nwobodo somehow. We also we did very much aware say somehow the controversial $2.1 billion money will be the reigning thing now. Somehow they mention his name on top of the people who somehow he collects something. Well, this same defection thing. Anyway, make we see how the game go play out. Make we know as at least Nigeria go take react to them if the matter don't they unfold.
To top up our final story this morning, it gets to do with one very important issue when we say for inside our Obodo Nigeria, plenty people don't argue about them. And one of our legal luminary, that is person when we say don't read law book, reach the level when we say if you go court go even the fearer. They don't come out, come talk, say the action when we say they still they hold on to Oga Dasuki, Sambo Dasuki, the former NSA, that is National Security Advisor, and Nnamdi Kanu, the Oga of the indigenous people of Biafra, say the thing they very, very illegal because the government no get any justification to still hold them. Sake of say court don't grant them bail, and as they don't meet the stringent bail conditions, may they allow them to go for house. Some people come and talk, say, if we check am because of the issue of national security, say, make dem still dey there. Other people, they talk, say, if person don't meet the bail, when we say court, say, make him meet, time don't reach for them to go sit down. We go discuss all of this issue with our ogbonge visitor when join us today. And we sef go give you the license to chook mouth inside to talk am do anything be you for body. Prof, make we no waste time, make we just go straight to our discussion. Because of the level when we say the talk day, we go start from the small one. First and foremost, this defection of, we go call them two central political figures for the southeastern part of Nigeria. Because one, they Senate, and the other one, and somebody wey be say he don serve as governor of Old Anambra State and minister. And make we check. Now something when we suppose even dey discuss am for news at all. Say Oga Jim Nwobodo and Senator Uche Ekunife say dem cross over from the PDP to the APC.
The first thing we say, we don't always get defections. We've always had defections. But the reason why, like you noted, these defections, this strategic, will make us talk about them. Now, because of the position when Uche Ekunife they occupy, and the one when Jim Nwobodo, who is the leader of the PDP, who was the leader of the PDP for Southeast, they talk about. But you know what? My own simple take is that the APC is conscious of what is happening now and is looking at it carefully. Whether we like it or not, there are issues when the Nigerian people they raise, and Nigerians will keep raising them. And it is important because people don't talk, say, make it not be say, not only people when they PDP, then they see us people went bad, evil people, then the people when they APC come be saints. So if you cross over from PDP to APC, you don't become born again, you don't become saints. And interestingly, Nkubi talks, the issue about this Naira sharing advisor, this $2.1 billion, when come become share money, instead of buying arms, people come begin share the money. This Jim Nwobodo name come inside. But what thing they worry me not be only that matter. Oga Jim Nwobodo is about 75 years old. You know. To begin the move up and down for politics when you're supposed to think about retiring, can they raise people? Maybe well, that one they worry me. You know, our people not retire. You know, that's on the one hand. And then on the second hand, issue about this Naira sharing thing, it pain me because if you look at our figures, you know, time was a few months ago, people they say the youth's not they ready to rule. Then I can't they ask some people yesterday, if the youth's not they ready to rule, which kind of morality our elders when supposed to bring up the youths take the show us? Ladoja not be youth. Jim Nwobodo not be youth.
Chief Olufalaye
not be youth. Odili not be youth. Aneni not be youth. Oga Bode George not be youth. Amadu Ali not be youth. All these people follow share money. Money, like saying a bazaar. They follow share money when they go take build schools, when they go take give the people when they fight to defend our Obodo Nigeria arms. They share money when they go take make Nigeria better. Unto say people want do re-election. I think that is something when for every Nigerian, whether you be APC or PDP, is supposed to raise the bile of pain, resentment and anger inside of us. And so when I hear people, they talk, say, oh, Mr. President should extend, the dragnet, don't they catch everybody? Jafaru Issa not be PDP.
But they don't release them.
But he's under investigation. The same way some of the people, they don't release Dr. now. They never release them.
Well, they grant and bail.
Yes.
You go court.
Then court.
But Oga Jafaru no go court.
The truth is, they gave him administrative bail. The first one when they do Dr. the first release them on administrative bail. You don't forget. So when people they pick issues, maybe they pick them on a broad note. The truth is that this anti-corruption, and I've always told people that if you look last year, one of the greatest quote of last year now, I belong to everybody, I belong to no one. And our president don't talk, say, everybody, whether you're there in party or you're there outside, you're supposed to fear if you get something to fear. But if you not get something to fear, no fear. I believe say the time don't come for us to remove from whether na PDP they shoot or APC they shoot. Make we shoot for the good of Nigeria.
So, Prof, More we emphasize here now, say, like you don't talk. Whether you cross over from this political party, go this other political party.
You're not supposed to make you sense.
You're not supposed to make you sense. And everything when we say, our government don't talk, say they go do, whether you did this party or you know that party,
make them follow you.
Make we leave that talk. No need to even go far, because if investigation they continue, investigation they continue. Not to move, go on that story with that.
PCO, you did PDPO. If then they investigate you for money when disappear, make them continue the investigation.
Exactly.
And that's what our president talk.
Make we can't look at this particular story now, because this one, if we talk now people when we say now APC people, now they involved for the story. James Abiodun Faleke and also Mohammed Audu. Now they talk say they invite these two people come DSS office to come answer some kind of questions. Now they talk say some people when they support them don't they threaten say come January 27 when we say they don't put say okay the person when win the supplementary election Alhaji Yahaya Bello say na him go sit down for the chair for Lugard House. How we go take do issue when we say people when we say maybe they know they happy with waiting the way when something happen, how they go fit check or control people when they support them? Because if you talk say I no go gree, now me won't sit down for the chair, and people when they support you they get the ginger from that I no go gree, they talk say they go make sure say this state to rain for that day, sun no shine, things happen on that particular day. How you think that we go fit get situation in place when we say from our political leaders people go they learn from them and they no go they behave anyhow?
No, the first thing to note we say make we correct the impression when SSS or police invite you, not be say they don't arrest you. You know, I gotten hundreds of invites like that before. You will come tell them waiting. If they ask you a question, you answer, you go your house. Okay? So those people, when they invite Faleke and Audu son, now make them come tell them waiting they happen. And I believe saying Faleke and Audu go don't tell their people because they don't go court. The court now the solution to some of these things. They don't go court. So as they don't go court, it not be waiting you go they worry. You know, I believe say they could talk to their supporters to make the court decide who go be governor. You know, if they're swearing Bello, if they're swearing Bello and Bello did there, if court remove him, it go be naso it be. But the issue about, like I said before, make we not they take issue of power as do or die. Power is supposed to be about service to the people. Tell them. When we make that the fundamental, the reason when we exist, then you see this do or die thing go end. If you serve the people, people go remember you for good. You know, I now agree die, not be the way to move the country forward. And I believe say the time don't reach for Oga Presido to begin look at how we go take reduce the attraction of leadership in terms of the big money when our people they take. If you notice, say, politics don't become the biggest business in this country. Now make people go to kill to be councillor. People go to kill to be local government chairman. Because even councillor, they receive more money than a professor. Even councillor, they receive more money than the commissioner of police. You know, so when you look how then they do this thing, now make them they kill. Because now be the biggest business. If you enter politics, you don't make money, now be that. So we get to change the values, the way we take see all these things. If we change them, then our country go begin move forward. I believe say now those basics now go make this country move forward. Because if, as you and I they talk now, Faleke and Audu son realize say service to the people, now be the first thing, now be the summer bottom. Yes. Then go tell their people, make them get patience. Say, make them not die, make them not fight. If they swear the man finish, the court go decide. The court are the hope of the common man. So I believe that the time don't come for all of us, both those when they media, those when like Faleke, those when like Mohammed Audu, to begin tell them, say, make them surulere, you know, make them farabale, make them get patience, say things go change for good.
Very true. Very true.
Straight up, let's say you don't summarize this one because there's no point in delving into it. We can enter straight into another interesting matter, and this time around, we could go straight to Bayelsa. Bayelsa now, like over the weekend, now be the job last now hot ground for the nation, and we hear more like a roundup of election way than we do last year. And in the end, we come here say, Oga, that is Oga Dixon, don't carry the day. But even in the heat of this same victory, we still hear say, Gbege still happen. So, we want to tell ourselves, say, with the first experience we don't get, we never feel still for the same state. We never feel still say, okay, make we redefine this and know those loopholes where will be issues. So that make we know we go take at least adjust time so we no go get such similar again. But we still saw it repeat. What did you say if you prompt them again?
Nkobi, make I tell you, as we talk about this problem for Bayelsa, the people who die, the people who in the crisis and conflict, my heart they bleed. You know, the reason is because governance should be about how we make lives better for the people, not be make people they die. You know, and then politics now to convince the people, not to force the people. And electioneering process now for the people to decide those when go govern them, not to force the people. And INEC must wake up. This INEC must wake up because I think that part of the problem now the inability to stand strong on certain positions. If they stand strong on certain positions,
certain positions like waiting and waiting,
we cannot allow. You know, if you remember when Jega conduct 2011 election, people complained. There was some when 2015 election they come. Jega say, I must improve on what I do in 2011.
Yes.
And he stand gidigba on certain things. You notice most of the places, people come out and say the election was good.
Yes.
This one, we don't get election for just about 2 states. And the 2 get small comma. It's not good. Our new Oga INEC must sit up to the challenge. Then to the politicians when they contest, my simple advice, like what happened between Sylvia and Dixon for Bayelsa, not to see the people as the reason for governance. But the people must wake up to the challenge, which is they're not going to allow people to carry them, kill each other because somebody won't rule. I told somebody yesterday, anybody when go die because of Dixon or because of Sylvia, now me say something they do and score they do and forehead. Because if you care about your life and about your family, you go ask them those what do you want to do, you know? Because I keep saying that if Dixon had done very well as a governor, the crisis not good. He go win easily, you know. So for people to begin fight, say now because where our former Oga Presido come from, and then say APC want to take him over to shame him, not be the issue. The issue should be about service to the people. If you go around the states, across the country, you go find out, say, some people, they lose idea for which governance they exist. Governance should be service to the people, not talk, but do.
Prof, in fact, we don't enter the matter small. You go need to do it and relax, because I see the pastor you take talk about this particular matter. Make we do it and make we enter this small market. When we come back, we will continue the matter.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.